Hi guys, this is me, Nicole Caddy. Today I am going to be singing. I'm going to be singing a Nightcall song, Heathens and Carousel, like together next. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. Right, let's do this and let's actually go on to it. Should I put my headphones on? Yeah, I'll put my headphones on. Because if I don't, then you can hear the music. Yeah, well, no, you won't be able to hear, like, the things. But then it means you won't be able to hear my beautiful singing. But yeah. Okay, let's go. Round and round like a horse on a carousel, we go. Nothing I can never tell. I know, chasing after you is like fairy tale. By the way, I don't know all the lyrics to this because I just picked this because I really like this. I know a bit of it because I don't know a lot of any songs, so yeah. If you can't sing some bits, sorry. And I left this carousel. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Welcome to the room when love one day docked away. Me, suddenly, the brains would change. Hand grenades. You'll never know the fake person next to you. You'll never know the murderer sitting next to you. You'll never know this sitting next to you. After all I said, round and round like a horse on a carousel, we go. I can never tell, but I know chasing after you is a fairy tale. But I can go down tight to this carousel. They do very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. They say mention. They say they can smell your intentions. You never know the person sitting next to you. You will never know the people sitting next to you. You won't know the like you sitting next to you. After all I said, friends are even take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. No, chasing after you is like fairy tale. But I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. I did just feel my cotton candy heart. Good in the coins lost. My friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. And you knew you should have stayed. Took you and you just to stay away. Yes, I dreamed of us. Look like you might be one of us. Nope. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, everybody. That was me singing. So I'll see you guys in the next video after I can get off this.